how to lock Facebook Messenger. So there's two ways to do it. Both are Face ID, but they're a little bit different if you're on an Android or iPhone. So for an iPhone, what you would want to do is click and hold, and then you can have it say require Face ID, and then you can hit require Face ID, and then your Face ID will be able to open your app so that you can physically use it. So we're just going to turn that off for 1 second. Another way to do this is actually in the Messenger app itself if you're on an Android and you just don't have like an iOS shortcut. So we can go to Messenger and go to the menu at the bottom right-hand corner here. And then from here, go to Settings, and then go to Privacy and Safety. And then you can go just under where it says Security App Lock, and we can go ahead and turn that on. And we can toggle that on, and we're going to use Face ID once again. And you can have your personal settings here and see what time works for you, but now you can lock your Messenger app with your Face ID, and it's that simple.